G'day guys, this is Carl at AllBrand Caravan Centre. Today what we're doing is we're fitting a SavvyLevel into this guy's caravan. So basically what that does is it tells you the level of your caravan that it's sitting at. So if you're parked on a hill, it'll be able to tell you the angle of what your caravan's sitting at. Normally that's useful probably in relation to fridges, because they need to be a certain degree before they can actually work efficiently. And it can also result to other things that other people may need in relation to the angle of your caravan or where it's sitting at. So basically what we've done, we've fitted a SavvyLevel just under here on this customer's caravan, just in the front boot. And what that does is that can sync to basically a smartphone. What you've got to do is you've got to download a special app. And once that's downloaded, you sync it towards the app. You put in all your details of your van, which includes, I think, wheel to wheel and also wheel to jockey wheel. Once you get those measurements, input it into the app, and then you're pretty much right to go. So basically, wherever your van parks up, you'll be able to pull your phone out, look at the app, and it will tell you what angle your van's sitting at, if it's flat or if it's on an angle or whatnot. Okay. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below or give us a call. Thanks, bye. G'day guys, this is Carl at AllBrand Caravan Centre. How's it going?